Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Q2. My name is Glitter Girl, and today, I'm sorry about this lighting angle and everything. I'm sorry, this is a rest video. I am very busy. I'm sorry I haven't been posted in the last few weeks because I've been very busy, road trip, and lots of stuff. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I packed for a sleepover at my grandma's house. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And when you're done this video, make sure to check out my homepage and watch all my other videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. I first packed off my clothes in this bag here. It's a perfect bag for clothes, and I'm going to show you what I did. Alright, so the first outfit I packed is going to be, since I'm going to be wearing more of a fancy outfit, because I'm going to be at that get-together, when I get there I might want to change into something more comfy, so I packed this shirt with these capris. And the next outfit I packed is a bathing suit because we might be doing like an evening, like a couple of swims in the evening. So this is just like an afternoon swim at like 4 o'clock. I might just use this bathing suit, bottoms, top. That's gonna be my first bathing suit. And then I would probably change into this outfit here after that, the first swim, with this shirt. And then I'll have one second bathing suit if we do like a night swim when it's dark. This two-piece again. And then I would probably just change right into my pajamas after that. So I have my pajamas here. Then I have an outfit for the morning since I'm going to more of a fancy get-together. But it's casual at the same time, so I'm just going to wear something in between. I'm going to be wearing this beautiful white top with these black shorts. And yeah, that's pretty much all of the outfits I'm going to be bringing. On to the next bag. So inside this bag, I have a little bag. And this is my like toothbrush and stuff. So let me show you what I got in here. The first thing I have is this travel toothbrush, which is really perfect for sleepovers because it's like all protected, and when you're like putting it in the bag, why is this not working? It's all protected when it's in the bag, and then it's small, and then you can just put, and you got a toothbrush. So that's an easy toothbrush. I got some toothpaste. I couldn't find my small toothpaste, so I'm just bringing a big bottle. A little bit of floss, because you never know. And my hairbrush and a hair elastic. Everything I will need. I'm also going to be packing this spray to put in my hair before I go to the pool, so my hair doesn't sometimes my hair turns green when I swim, and I have to put in this spray. So that will be here too, but I'm going to be packing that closer to the sleepover. So the last bag I packed is just some little practical items that I want to bring. First of all, my teddy bear, just cute and fun. Headphones. I'm going to have my iPad, so headphones and my iPad, and then a sketchbook. So I like to do lots of art there, so this is a sketchbook I like to bring to her house. She gave it to us, so gave it to me, so I just bring it to her house every time I go. So that's what I am bringing. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe, thumbs up, and hit the bell icon so you see more videos like this. Thanks for watching. My name is Glitter Girl. Bye!